Hello learners, in this video we will learn to implement AND gate on Tinkercad. If you don't have a Tinkercad account, please refer to video 3 of this playlist. Now we will start with the implementation part. Remember, IC number for Quad2 input AND gate is 7408. You can see there are 14 pins. This is AND gate symbol, which we have already discussed. Pin 1 and pin 2 are input pins and pin 3 is output pin. Again, pin 4 and pin 5 are input pins and pin 6 is output pin. Now we have pin 7. This pin is GND pin. We will ground this pin, that is, we will connect this pin to negative. Now similarly 9 and 10 are input pins whose output we will get from pin 8. Pin 12 and 13 input pins, pin 11 output, and just like pin 7, pin 14 is neither an output pin nor input. Pin 14 is VCC. This pin will be connected to positive. Now let's implement this IC on breadboard. Till here I had already explained in the previous video. I have changed the color for better understanding. Positive is red, negative is black. Let's name it AND gate. Now let's add 7408 IC. This is Quad AND gate IC. We will drag and drop this IC on our breadboard. When we place our mouse on the pins, it displays the pin name. Pin 7 is named ground. Let's connect it to the negative terminal. And pin 14 is power. It will be connecting to positive. Do you remember the truth table I explained you in video 2? Now let's check the outputs of that truth table through this AND gate IC. Case 1 was A and B both 0. For that, we will first connect pin 1 to 0, that is negative, as well as pin 2 to negative. Let us use a LED to check the output that we will get from pin 3. The cathode of LED will also get grounded and anode of LED will be connected to the output pin 3. To check if the LED will glow or not, click on Start Simulation. See, the LED doesn't glow, which means that the output from pin 4 is 0. So case 1 of AND gate truth table is right. Connect positive and negative. Now case 2, A is 0 but B1. For that we will take pin 4 negative but pin 5 positive, just as we did in case 1. Here also we will bring LED, connect its cathode to negative and anode to the output pin 6. Now again click on Start Simulation to see if the LED glows or not. We can see it doesn't glow. Case 3 is similar to case 2, so I will leave it on you guys. Let's check case 4. In case 4, we have A and B both 1. So let's take pin 9 and pin 10 positive. LED, cathode to negative, and output from pin 8 to anode. Let's start the simulation and check. You can see the LED is now glowing, which means the output from pin 8 is 1. In the next video, we will implement the other basic gates. Don't forget to try this on your own, and if you learn something from this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel.